Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete spam emails on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up AOL Mail, and then on the left panel, select Spam. If there's an item in here you want to delete, you can just select it individually by check marking next to it on the left, or you can select the top check messages to delete everything, and then you would select delete to delete all of your spam messages at once, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.